ready to give me a big inhale. And exhale. Big circles, inhale. And exhale. One more. And exhale. You take your right arm and cross it over and hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll out your wrist. And opposite arm. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can bring your arms down to the side. Take that right arm and place your hand right to your shoulder blades and roll to the ceiling. You can take your left and just press on your elbow. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And out your arm. 4, 3, 2, 1. And arms back down. I want you to come long ways and just roll down, flat back on your back. You're going to roll your right knee up past the nose. Roll out your ankle. Take that right leg and just cross it over. Try to keep your shoulder blade on the mat. Over your stretch. Then hold 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to center. Roll that leg down. Opposite leg. Roll that knee up. And hold. Roll out the ankle. And then take that leg and cross it over. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back to center and roll it down. Here, I want you to roll over. You're going to take the top. Then you take your right arm. Cross it under. Feel your strength.
Ooh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Four, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You said fetal position, right?